Lieutenant General Cunningham, GOC in East Africa, arrives by plane at Zela, British Somaliland. At this frontier post, which lies on the border of French Somaliland, Duke of Gloucester met tribal chieftains when he looked in at Hargeisa, capital of the Somaliland Protectorate.
It's the British Protectorate of Somaliland. And it was obvious that the youngsters in particular were out to make the most of it. During his tour, the Duke of Gloucester brought a special message of greetings from the Queen to the Somali people.
Somaliland, now ranged alongside the Allies in Africa, come these pictures of a section of the Somali Camel Corps standing by.
Troops were the last to leave. From the scorching coast of British Somaliland, they have now crossed the Gulf of Aden to renew the fight on terms more equal. In this war, the turn of the army has been left to last, but that turn will surely come. The governor, too, goes with his dog. The representative of British sovereignty in this possession now lost has joined the throng of those who move on before aggression. But the tide will turn. These African peoples will watch their own troops march back to victory.
Amazing story of Empire Airmen. Major Preller and Corporal Peterson of the South African Air Force relate a thrilling experience which befell them and the other member of the crew of their plane. Major Preller.
Corporal Peterson and I set off on a reconnaissance flight over Italian Somaliland. We photographed the harbor at Kismayo and afterwards photographed and bombed several aerodromes on the Juba River. At Afmadu, we found a reconnaissance machine concealed amongst the trees near the aerodrome.
And British sea power returns again to complete the operation. As the Italian advance parties, keeping a discreet distance, move into Berbera, guns of the fleet open on the enemy. Through the vibration caused by salvos of high explosive, you can study the effectiveness of the fire.
Wealth is measured in camels, the Somalis' most precious herds. Camels provide food and they provide transport. The people could scarcely get along without them.
maanta waxaa iska secretary jawaabtiisii waxay noqotay arrinkiisii aan doonaynay inuu dhacay inaa kulli kala diraysantiin baan maraynaya maalintii isniintii ayaan hadalkii istaagay markaa waxaa ma dooda Ingiriisna awalba u sii go'nayd waxa ay doonayaan inay yidhaahaan hase haatee inta meesha ku jirtay waxaa la hubinayay waxaan la doonayo dowladnimada la doonayo mid dadkii wada doonayo dad u qalmaana gacantooda ay gelayso